So we have a school experiment. This object is travelling forward. Then as it's going forward, it's slowing down because the acceleration is negative. So it's sort of going fast, slowing down, and then coming backwards and getting faster and faster. And we have some information that we're going to use to get a solution here. So all we really know is acceleration, which is -2. Everything's in metres per second, so metres and seconds is what we've got. Okay, let's just head into velocity. So that's going to be -2. We're going to integrate acceleration and get velocity. Usually this is where we'd find a C. We would use a hint in the question, but there is absolutely no information about velocity whatsoever in the question. So we're forced to go, oh, let's just keep going. We need to integrate again to get from velocity to displacement. We need another constant of integration, so we've got to add a C again, but let's just call it K, so we've got, two different letters. We don't really know anything about where it starts, but what we can say is that when t equals 0, our displacement will actually be displacement naught, or d naught, or our initial displacement. And when I set t equal to 0, I get that equal to k. So k is actually our initial displacement when t equals 0. We're not really going to do too much with that, but we're going to leave that there. And we do know that when t equals 1, my displacement, it returns to the same place where it started, which is d naught, which is k. So after t equals 1, my displacement is back to k. I don't know what it is, but I'm back to where I started. And I can use that because d equals k, I'm going to get this d equals k, t equals 1, and I'm solving for c. So those k's actually cancel, and I'm just going to get c equals 1. That's pretty tricky, hey? So here's my displacement function. And you can see that now we're here, it's easy pickings because we've got that hint. Distance is 4, time is 2. From there we're going to get k equals 6. Remember we said k is this d naught. D naught is our initial displacement. So k is actually our initial displacement. So we've already found our answer. That'll do. Switch off. Clearly you could go there's your function or displacement function, and you can set t equal to 0 and get d equals 0 plus 0 plus 6. So that's again t equals 0, d equals 6. So our initial displacement is 6. Sort of comes out pretty easily. It's a lot of fun. Love acceleration questions.